Welcome, and thanks for viewing this training video, which will show you how customers can place an order on your site. For this training, we're going to start at home.rosieapp.com. This website was created to give you easy access to all the links you'll need to use in the Rosie ecosystem. The first link on this site is Store. This will bring you to shop.rosieapp.com, which is the customer-facing Rosie site. On the Rosie customer homepage, you can read Rosie frequently asked questions, search for a store, create an account, or log in. Let's take a tour of your store's dashboard. Your logo is in the upper left corner. At any point, you can click on your logo to come back to the dashboard. You'll also notice your highlight color throughout the site. Next to your logo, you'll see Shop Departments. By hovering over this, your customers can shop by online category. Next to the departments, you may or may not see a link to your weekly ad or your sales category. Customers can click on the sales category to view all sale items available at your store. If you'd like to add or remove the sales section, reach out to your onboarding agent or the Rosie support team. If we jump over to the right-hand side here, you can see your name. Hovering over your name will give you options to view your orders, your favorites, your lists, and more. In My Orders, customers can view confirmation codes, create a shopping list out of their orders, and cancel their orders if the cutoff time has not passed. Customers can view both My Orders and My Lists to add all items from a list or an order to their cart. If some items are unavailable, Rosie will let them know and will add everything else from their list to the cart. Customers can also go to this drop-down menu to update account information, substitution preferences, to add loyalty card information, and to switch stores. Below the search bar here, you'll see your store's next available order time. By clicking on this text, you can see all available order times. If a slot is filled, customers will not see it on the list. You'll see a number of products on your dashboard. Most Popular displays the items that are most often ordered on your e-commerce site. The next section here is called Recommended for You. This is a list of 15 to 30 default items that were selected during onboarding. To update the list, you can reach out to your onboarding agent or the Rosie support team. Depending on your settings, you may also have a sales section here. All customers will also see a section that includes any items they may have favorited. Next, let's discuss the anatomy of a product. If you click on a product, you can open a module to view product details. Here you'll see the product name, description, and price. Here, customers can select their substitution preference. If this product is unavailable, they can note whether they'd like you to choose the best substitute or no substitute. Below that, there's a small heart icon. Customers can click on this to add an item to their favorites or to their lists. You'll notice that when you add an item to your cart, a note box appears. Here, customers can add a note for their shoppers. Customers use this box to tell you that they want green bananas, firm avocados, or a specific substitution for an item. Let's add a few items to our cart. You'll notice that you can do this from inside the product or just from the dashboard here. Customers can find products using the search bar or by browsing through the store departments. Rosie uses a smart search feature, so relevant items will appear while you're typing. You can search for a general term to see all results, or you can click on one of the items that appears to go to that product. If the search returns no results, customers will be able to request a product using the Can't Find It button. Here, customers can enter product information, approximate cost, and quantity to let you know what they'd like added to their order. Rosie finds that most customers use the search feature often, as they know what they're looking for. However, some customers like to browse using the Shop Departments section here. If you click on a department, you'll be able to see subcategories. You can expand these subcategories by clicking View All. About 17% of purchased items are added to the cart from these category and subcategory pages. Now that we've added a few items to our cart, let's check out. If you click on the cart icon, you can view your items and the store minimum. You can edit the quantities and notes by clicking on the item in question. Customers will not be able to check out if their order is under the store minimum. If customers add alcohol to their cart, they'll be presented with Rosie's terms of use and an alcohol warning before they're able to check out. They have to agree to the terms, which includes a confirmation that they're 21 or older, and that they'll present their ID upon pickup or delivery. Orders with alcohol items in them cannot be picked up by someone else. The checkout process is in 4 sections, as you can see here. Select, schedule, review, and pay. The first section is where customers select their order type. You may have pickup, delivery, and local pickup, depending on your store. We also require customers to enter their phone number here. This way, you'll be able to contact them by phone or by email if there are any issues. In this next section, customers schedule their order by selecting a date and a time. Next up is the review section. This is the last place where customers can view their order before entering payment. If they want to make additional changes, they'll need to use this Back to Shopping button. Customers can enter promotion codes here, and further down, they can view their order summary, which includes taxes and fees. Lastly, customers need to enter payment. If your store has not launched yet, you'll see 2 options here, Pay by Card and Pay at Store. Pay at Store is set up for training mode only and will be disabled when your store goes live. The Rosie team created this option so you can place as many Pay at Store test orders as you need before launch. Once a customer checks out, they'll be brought to this confirmation screen. This page tells them all relevant pickup information. Customers are also informed that they'll need their confirmation code to pick up the order. The code can be found here, in their account, and in their email. I hope this video was helpful in showing you the Rosie customer ordering process. Check out our next training video, which is all about the retailer app. As always, reach out to your onboarding agent, account manager, or the Rosie support team if you have any questions.